How to customize reports in Money Manager. In this video, I'll walk you through how to customize your financial reports in the Money Manager app. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Money Manager app on your phone. Now from the main dashboard, tap the Statistic tab. It usually looks like a pie chart or bar graph icon right here. Tap on it. This section shows a summary of your financial data in charts, graphs, and breakdowns. At the top, you can choose the date range for the report from here. Tap on it and you can choose annually like this. Or you can also choose weekly from here. You can also choose monthly. Now once you choose it, you can filter the report to focus on specific details, like you can see here transport. Tap on it, you can see its specific detail right here. Okay, now go back and you can also see the income from here. Now depending on the app version, you may be able to switch between the pie chart, bar graph, or line charts. You will see the categories, like you can see the totals and percentage, and you can also see the comparison from here. Now you know how to customize your reports in the Money Manager app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.